i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to utilize the manual quick attach system on John Deere 310L backhoe loader. It's on the backhoe side. It's pretty easy. Basic design does make changing out buckets a lot easier than the full knockout pins and everything. This is manual instead of hydraulic. So your main thing you're going to be looking at is you have two pins, the top pin and the bottom pin. The top pin stays stationary. You're just scooping in and out from that. It's your bottom pin that actually gets removed. So all you have to do is take this pin out right here. You see it also has a little washer on there. Take that pin out, or take this pin right here, your keeper pin, out. Take the washer off. Then you're going to pull that pin out. That's going to free up the bottom pin. Then you're going to unscoop from the top, nice and easy. You're going to hook back up to your next bucket or attachment by just scooping in, replacing this pin, putting on your washer, and then installing your keeper pin. Super easy, super convenient. Hope that video is beneficial to you. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of used heavy equipment, buckets, attachments, and more online at i35equipment.com. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Do hope this video is beneficial to you. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Hope you have a wonderful day.